So if you are here, you've probably tried installing Python on your Mac OS and you've encountered difficulties, or you just search for this straight away so you don't encounter difficulties as you might have as a custom. So I'm going to show you the best way to install Python. So I recommend using Anaconda. So the first thing you want to do is you want to search for download Anaconda. When you download this, you should see this as the first thing here, and then you click on it. It should lead you to this page over here. Okay, so if it doesn't lead you to this page, just type this in your search bar, anaconda.com/product/distribution. Okay, so after you do that, just click on download here. It should, as you can see, it detects that this is a Mac, so you just click on download. It should start download immediately. The setup is now downloaded and ready to be installed. So you're just gonna install this. Okay, so continue. Alright, continue. License stuff. Come on, who is this? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install it, and I'll come back when it is done. So once after the whole installation, you should be here, and then we're just going to click continue. Okay, and that's the end. If you choose to keep it. Now so let's run Anaconda. I'm going to do Anaconda, and then this should mean, okay, it says can't be opened. Why? Okay, I'm going to try it. Let me open my terminal, and then let's see why can't it open. Okay, so when you see this base here, it means you have Anaconda installed already. So if I do Python version, this is the version that came with the Anaconda I installed. So under deactivate, if I do this, as you can see, it has deactivated Anaconda. So if I do Python version now, it shows me the one that originally comes with my MacBook. So that means it works. So we're going to do conda activate to activate that again. Alright, cool. Alright, so pretty much this shows that it works, and then you can run your other commands right here. So I can go to Python and then do whatever I want here. So you can do print hello world. Oh my, we're still typing. Alright, here you go. You have it installed. Peace.